Do a live recording. This is pre-market moving. This is all live right here. It is 8:14 a.m. This is my weekend play right here. INO, and I got in. I alerted this in the chat room at 13 80-ish around here, and that's what my entry point is. So it's a good hold because I'm already up another 7%, 8% over the weekend. And I just want to walk through what my thoughts are while this is moving. So this morning you can see that it has support around 1564 around here. This area is what I'm basing my risk off now. Um, if it goes below this point, then I will sell my whole position and move on to the next one, um, and just take my gains. 8% over the weekend is not bad at all, on top of what I made on Friday um, already. So, depending on when I get out, I'll have a better percentage of how much I made. Sorry for the airplane in the background, but I'm outside, um, just enjoying the nice breeze and working. Doesn't get any better than that. So, anyways, so I'm just keeping my eye out here on this support level. This is what I use to risk, and then um, I am hoping that this thing can break through these $19 areas. That's what I predicted in the chat room. A key indicator right here that it's continuing is this volume. Look at that. Each day, gradually growing, growing, growing. You know, and news just came out today about this stock, uh, that Bill Gates indicated um, that they were going to have probably more production at the end of this year. So we'll see how it reacts. And yeah, I just wanted to actually record live, and so that way you guys can see what I'm seeing live and not at the end of the chart, and what my thought process is while I'm in a trade. Um, my emotions right now are pretty calm. I'm very at peace right now because I'm sitting outside, the wind's blowing. Your environment um, really helps with your thought process and what you want to do, um, which is great for when you're in a trade. And when I'm in trades, I don't get emotional. Um, I don't care about how much I win, how much I lose. It's about knowing what you know and letting the chart prove itself for a continuation, or if it goes against your plan, then get out, you know, um, and just have a mental stop loss for when to get out. My mental stop loss right now is where the cursor is, the 1565. Why? Because this consolidation area and support area is a good indicator, a good base. Um, and then this resistant level right here in the 16s is a good risk level. So even if I were to get in like now at 1566, then I would risk this level right here up to 16 bucks. And that right there would, let's say, like right here, let's just do an even number, 1560, even number in a sense. So that would give me 40 cent upside to risk off of, Um, but I'm pretty confident that this will continue running, um, because of the news that came out, and um, the volume level, So here's where patient kicks in, and because it is only 8:19, markets open in an hour and 11 minutes, so there's still plenty of time um, to let this thing play out. So, and then you can also witness right here how level two works. Um, so right now there's a huge wall right here in the 1580s. Um, a wall meaning there's a whole lot of sellers and short sellers um, trying to bring the stock down and betting against the stock going up. Um, so we'll just sit here and watch level two, how it works, and you can see the price action right here. And this is all live again. My first live trade, so I'm kind of excited. Um, but yeah, time to be patient and watch. As things play out on level two, I'll explain what's going on in my mind. So right here, you can see that level two, it's starting to bid up, and meaning more buyers are coming in and taking out these key levels. When it takes out the key level at 15.98, let's say $16 even, then this thing will continue going. I think it's still great right now. Why? Because it's holding the the pre-market highs, and it's consolidating up here, and it's within a $16 to 15.60, so a 40-cent range from here to here. This is called consolidation, and that's what we want, you know. Um, and yeah, let's see if it continues here, because these see how it's getting taken out, these key levels of mass right here of mass selling. All these levels are getting taken out, which is a good sign. So this would actually be a lot quicker if it was during trading hours. But since it's pre-market, there's not a lot of volume in this thing, so it moves a lot slower. Um, but I mean, it's still there's still volume in this thing already, you know. But just look at that continuation up from eights to 15s, almost literally 100% already in a month. Not bad. Um, Also, I can explain this on eTrade Pro. Um, this is how many shares I have: 150 shares uh, of this stock. It has, you can do your price type, limit order, market order, all these other ones. I always do limit order. Um, Buy, sell, short sell, cover your shorts. This destination, if you put it on auto, in your pre-market, you, your order won't go through. But during regular market hours, I keep it at auto because it's between 9:30 and 4 p.m. market hours that the order gets executed. If you want to trade after hours on E-Trade, you have access to after hours starting at 7 a.m. and then you have access all the way until 8 p.m. at night. And when you want to trade on after hours, you just hit auto extended hours, and that allows you to trade after hours. But I love E-Trade Pro because of how simple and easy the charts look and the execution on their platform. Um, so yeah, still keep an eye out on this level right here, um, and we'll see what happens. My emotions are still calm, and um, I'm just really relaxed. You know, had a great weekend to just recharge, refocus my mind, um, and just relax, which is great. It helps you remain humble in this niche because after the week that after the past like 2 weeks that I've been having um, with the gains, um, probably roughly up 300% in 2 weeks, and so you just gotta remain humble, and just focus on your patterns, what works best for you, and just maintain your focus. And the consolidation area gets smaller and smaller. So now it's right here, 1590 to 1570. So instead of 40 cents, now it is 20 cents, the 20-cent range. So if it breaks one of these ranges, then that means it's either continue going up or continue going down. And I just wait to see what happens. And that's it. If it goes down, then I cut my gains. Um, and that's it. Done working for the day. Unless I see something that's an A plus setup. And then I'll do the same thing. I'll come up with a game plan, an entry level, and an exit level, um, and just wait until it pans out and then react. All right, so just broke that level, and I'm just gonna get out right here. Um, Execute. Alright, so I got out at 15.59, which was 1 cent below my I wanted to get out at 15.60, but just 1 cent below, um, which isn't bad at all. Probably still roughly around 200 something bucks overnight, um, but not bad at all. And I'm just going to record this, continue recording a little bit longer so you can just see the price action movement on this. Now, if it continues to hold up here, like these gains by 9:30, then I might get back in. But since it dropped below this level right here, this is the new resistant level. So it has to break through this level now to continue going upward. Instead of it being up here, now it's down here. This is a new resistant level. So if it breaks through this and continues going upward, that's a good sign. But I just wanted to take my gains. And yeah, that's it. So hopefully it helps you with your learning curve, and just shows you how my thought process is through a trade, including my emotions, and yeah. All right. See you guys in chat. Thanks, guys.